Hi all, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. So I've been feeling pretty crappy this week, so I want to apologize for not having a video up on Saturday. I'm filming this on Saturday, so it's going to go up Sunday, so I apologize for that. I'm pretty sure that Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick that I used in my allure boxing, allergic reaction, popped up like right after I used it, so that's always fun. So I was struggling on what to film. Loki has a lot to say today. I was struggling on what I wanted to film today. I have no idea. It's a little, I mean, it's not too early for April favorites, but I'm still getting those together. So I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something that I've seen Allie Glines do a lot, and then I've seen other people kind of jump on it and do it too. It's called a full face of nothing new. So basically take old favorites and use those instead of, you know, all the newest, latest and greatest things. So I pulled out my Zodiac palette because I saw Kathleen Lights do something with this. Kathleen Lights is the creator of the Zodiac palette from Colourpop, in case you weren't aware. And this is what it looks like. It's a very colorful palette. I saw her do something with it that I was like, oh, okay, I kind of want to try that. So I'm going to shake it up just a tad bit on what she did, but I'm going to use the Zodiac palette. I've been really enjoying my Cali contour palette that I've been showing a lot recently on my channel. So I'm going to be using this probably as my blush, bronzer, and highlight, because I think this is what's coming with me on my vacation. We'll see. So let's go ahead and get into it. I don't want this to be an incredibly long video, but yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and get started with the eyes as usual. We're going to get started, and as usual I'm going to start with my MILANI eye primer. This doesn't change at all, ever. So are you guys rouge? What'd you pick up from the sale? Are you like me and waiting for the next round? Waiting for VIB? Or even for the next round? For just the insider. I think I'm gonna go to the store. I gotta go into Vegas on May 3rd anyway. May 3rd, May 4th, one of those days. Hi! I gotta go into Vegas on May 3rd, so I may do that anyway. I may go to the good one on the Strip, because I gotta go near the Strip anyway, so. You know what? I'm gonna do a little bit of a different thing than what Kathleen Lights did. No, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and follow her tutorial. Her idea. She took the Libra and just put that everywhere. Put that from the brow bone to the lid. It was such a pretty color. So I'm going to take my Fluffy Real Techniques blending brush, and we're going to start with that. A lot of fallout with these Colourpop shadows. So yeah, I think I'm going to go to one of the... I think I'm going to go to the Forum at Caesars and check it out. It's funny because they're having something called Go Wild next week too. Or not next week, that week too. And that weekend. And I know this is a makeup channel, but I am such a planner girl too. And all of the planner people are supposed to be on the Vegas Strip for Go Wild. I think it's the 3rd and the 4th. And I'm just like, can I stalk some people? Can I stalk Andrea? It's funny. I want to stalk Andrea and Marg from Once More with Love. Not really stalk them. That's not the correct term. In case anybody shows them this video, that's not the correct term. I just want to be like, hi! Okay, that was weird. Get them to sign my planner. They're not really celebrities. But if you're a planner girl, they kind of are. So I'm like, I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to go and be like, because I can't go to where they're going, which is called Go Wild. I can't actually go to Go Wild. First of all, it's sold out. It's been sold out for a while. And second of all, $350 or something a ticket. And I'm just like, yeah, no, that's not happening. But, oh, I want to go see all the planner people. Holly Plans. I don't know if Holly Plans is going to be there, but you guys probably don't even care about any of this or know what I'm talking about, but oh, me personally, I'm excited. And then the 37-year-old in me is like, nah, I'll wait for the pictures, I don't care. I lived in Southern California my whole life, so celebrities are kind of like, yeah, whatever. I want to go meet the planner people. Does that make me weird? Probably. And I'm going to take an E25 blending from Sigma, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that Libra color, the Libra, and just kind of pat it like more onto the lid. Make it more concentrated. I didn't set my entire eyelid like I usually do. We'll see what happens. We'll see if that bites me in the butt. But I'm gonna go into my Cali contour and use this palette, or this color here, this highlighty white color, and just right here, put it under the brow bone and kind of clean up that Libra color a little bit. The next thing she did was she took the Cancer and put it all over her, like patted it on top of that Libra color on the lid. So I'm gonna do that. She also had her pigment, the Maiden, and put that kind of over that too, but I don't have that pigment. Actually, you know what? This is a really pretty, like, really pretty spring look, isn't it? Don't get me wrong, it looked much better on her. She's 10 years younger than me, and she's Kathleen light, so yeah, it looked much better. I was gonna take, actually I might still do this. Actually, you know what, I'm not. I was gonna take the Scorpio and like darken the outer corner, but you know what, we're gonna leave it like that. We're just gonna copy Kathleen, cause yeah, not really copy her. We're taking inspiration from Allie Glines and Kathleen Lights. Both of them I'll have linked, obviously, down below so you can watch the masters in action. Alright, it is getting hot outside, so I'm going to go ahead and take this Pharmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protected SPF 30. I just have a deluxe sample, and I'm going to use that and just put that underneath everything on my face. Because I'm getting these dark spots and they're driving me nuts. I'm not sure what my cats are like chattering about today. Of course, I never know. Well, I do know that there's been a lot of birds outside because it's so nice finally. So they could be chattering about the birds like, "Hi birds, can we come and kill you?" And then mean mom is like, "No, you're not allowed outside." And they're like, "But mom, we gotta go get the birds." No. You're not allowed to touch the birds. Okay, so I'm gonna use that as my primer today. And my Obsession, which I feel like I'm like really low on. I don't know. I may pick more of this up at sale. I don't know. But this is my Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. And like I said, full face and nothing new. This is not new at all. This is something I use all the time on my channel. This is not, unfortunately, I can't take this with me on my vacation. Because it's just, I feel like this bottle would break. I wish I could, but it's alright. It's okay. I'd only really want it for like the formal night when we go and take fancy pictures. But it's okay. I can live without it for 12 days. 12 days, oh my god. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite new foundation, which is the Tarte Foundcealer. I really love this thing. I really wish I had another one of those tiny samples that I could take with me. Had I known I was going to love it so much, I would have saved that sample, but I loved it and used it and went out and bought the full size. Not that this is horrible to travel with, other than it's kind of big and bulky. But, because it's got a pretty good closure, but it's kind of big and bulky. I'm still trying to figure out, other than I know I'm taking the Cali contour, I'm still trying to figure out what other items, all the other items I'm taking with me on my trip. Like, every time I think, okay, I'm going to take that eyeshadow palette with me, I try a different one and I'm like, oh, you know what? This one would be great to go with. And I'm like, oh God. And the funny thing is I'm not planning on wearing a lot of makeup because we're going to be in the Mediterranean in summer, you know. And, well, summer. Late spring, early summer, or well, late spring, and late May, early June was what I was trying to say. And like, I don't want to wear a bunch of makeup, you know. I feel like it's gonna be too hot for that. Plus, you know, there's gonna be a lot of walking and a lot of just pool days and things like that. So it's not like I want to take a bunch of makeup. I think I've decided I'm going to take this, which is an It CC cream, and it's a little one. It's like, yeah, 0.406 ounces. So under half an ounce. I think I'm going to take this with me because it's still full coverage, but it's also got SPF of 50, so it's got that extraness to it. You know, that extraness. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna use my Cali contour, and I'm gonna use this blush, highlighter, and bronzer, blush, and highlighter. There we go. Oh wait, first I gotta do my concealer. Duh. I swear to gosh. I swear to gosh. Gosh. Okay. I've seemed to have lost my Laura Mercier. And I'm very upset about it. Very upset about it. I cannot figure out what I did with my Laura Mercier. I also don't remember what I was just talking about, but wow, that was too much. That was unnecessary. That was really unnecessary. Yeah, I don't remember what I was talking about. I think I was talking about my CC cream, but yeah, so that might be the foundation that I take with me. I am going to pick up the, like I keep saying, I'm going to pick up the Bare Minerals Stick Foundation during the sale and see if I want to take that with me too. But we'll see. We'll see. Cannot figure out for the life of me. If you guys have a good... If you guys know any good makeup palettes like that travel well, let me know. I'm almost tempted just to bring this, because this could be my face and my eye palette. But I kind of want to pop a color too, so that's why I'm like, eh. So I could use this as my setting powder. In fact, I think I'm going to. That way I know ahead of time what it's going to look like. I want to use this basically as my face powder, or my face palette when I go. I'm sorry if I was in the middle of a story and... Yeah, I probably was. Anyway, okay. Now I'm going to take this for my blush, bronzer, and highlighter. I'm going to take my dual fiber brush and go into the bronzer shade, not the contour shade, but the bronzer shade. Yeah, if you know any good travel palettes, let me know. Drugstore, high-end, anything like that. If you say Natasha Denona, darn, no, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. That's my whole budget right there. I keep putting things in my cart and taking them out. Like, you can't go over that amount of money, Kristen. It's not going to be a big haul, but because I want to spend money on my vacation. It's a very neutral color blush, which is why I think it's perfect. Like, the bronzer is not too, you know, it's the perfect color. It's not too muddy, and then I feel like the blush is too, where it's just a really good neutral blush, so it'll go with pretty much everything. Then I'm gonna go with the lighter highlighter. So I'm gonna go in, I don't think they sell this pencil anymore. I haven't been able to find it. The Maybelline Lasting Drama in Soft Nude. I don't think they make this anymore, but you can find any kind of nude pencil, well, anywhere. Just like it's just literally a nude pencil. White, nude, whichever one works for you. And for underneath the lashes, I'm going to take, I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of the Libra and probably mix it. I'm going to mix it in a little bit with the Taurus, which is that little light brown color. I'm going to mix those together and put that down there. Then I'm going to take the Cancer again. Oop, my finger was over it. The Cancer again to do the inner corner highlight. You need a brush for the inner corner highlight. I'll use this tiny, I think it's called the detailer. Yeah, detailer brush. Pretty. And then eyebrows, which ignore how horrible they look. I need to wax. I'm just gonna use my CoverGirl. My CoverGirl, what's it called? It's in Honey Brown. Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. So I think I hauled this earlier, but I got the Total Temptation by Maybelline, and I got the cocoa color because I wanted a brown mascara. And today seems like a good day to do brown, doesn't it? Just, why not? So I guess this is kind of new because I haven't used it on my channel, but it's not a new mascara. It's not the first time I'm using it, so it counts. It counts. Okay, so there we go. And then last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ariel lipstick from Colourpop. Colourpop Eyes? Colourpop Lips? Yes. My Ariel lipstick from Colourpop. I'm going to go ahead and use that as my lipstick today. And that's the finished look of a full face of nothing new. Thank you as always for watching. I do appreciate it. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any suggestions for travel makeup, please let me know. Or any suggestions for, like, I've been watching a lot of travel videos where they're like showing me how to pack and what to pack and travel tips and all of that. If you have any of that, let me know down below as well. Otherwise, again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, and you have a great day. Bye!